This is how I make my papaya salad. Put 1 cup of warm water, 1 cup of vinegar, 1/3 cup of white sugar, 1/8 of salt, garlic, a ginger. So this is how I slice my ginger, and a shallot, and a small of red pepper. Then mix until the sugar and salt gonna dissolve. Yeah, 1 papaya only. My shredded carrots, slice of cucumber, and then mix together. Look at that. Mm. Mm. A little spicy because I put a little chili, red chili, papaya and carrots. Mm. Perfect. One more. Mm. Mm. Perfect.